enjoy your life, and make sure you live to the fullest because it takes the world few hours to forget you when you're gone. So live. Let's watch this video together and learn.
Relax, my child. Let Grandpa tell you the truth that the young are too busy to hear. Just 1 hour. That is all it takes. 1 hour after the last shovel of sand hits your casket and the dust settles on your name, the world begins to turn as if you were never a passenger. The tears that fell like rain will dry before the mourners reach the gate. Your colleagues will post a black square on their status, then go back to arguing about deadlines and promotions. The office chair you sat in for many years will be filled by Monday morning by someone who doesn't even know how you liked your coffee. Your wealth, the gold you sweated for and the land you fought over will be divided by hands that did not blister with yours. Even the photos on the wall will eventually fade into silent decorations, and the stories of your life will become shorter with every passing season. While your body is returning to the silent earth, the people you sacrificed your sleep and your health for are returning to their jollof rice and their daily routines. This is not because they are evil. It is because the living must breathe. But it serves as a bitter medicine to wake you up. If the world can move on so fast, then I ask you, who are you killing yourself to please? Why do you carry the heavy burden of what will people say when those people cannot even remember your middle name 2 years after you are gone? They cannot carry your sins, and they surely cannot stand beside you when you account for your life. Listen to this. The river does not stop flowing because one fish has died. Only the weaver of life, the Lord who watched you in the womb, never forgets about you. He is the one who records the silent prayer you whispered at midnight, sacrifice you made when no one was watching, and the integrity you kept when it was easier to steal. He is the only one who will meet you on that day when your titles, your cars, and your relatives have all turned back at the cemetery gate. So my child, look after yourself, eat well, rest your head, and guard your peace. Do not burn your soul to keep a world warm that will barely notice when your fire goes out. Live for the one who knew you before you were born and will hold you long after the world has moved on to the next funeral. Be kind to yourself because you are only a guest here, and the host is the only one you truly need to impress.
Thank you for watching this powerful video with me. Have a blessed day. Bye.